Hello students, today we are going to study cross multiplication method of chapter 3 from class 10th. In this method we are given two equations, linear equations. First one is this, second one is this. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So how we can solve it? We have two different solutions. It means that we have to solve for x and for y separately. For the solution of x, what will we do? We can hide this x portion and multiply b1 c2 and b2 c1. How we can do it? For x, hide this one. Write x upon b1 c2 multiply these two minus b2 c1. For the solution of y, what we can do? We will multiply this one c1 a2 minus c2 a1. So the solution is given y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, and for the constant what we'll have n equal to 1 upon hide this one c1 and c2 portion, multiply a1 b2 minus of a2 b1, this one. Thus we will get x portion, y portion and the constant. For the value of x and y, we will have to compare x with this constant and separately y with this constant, and after that we will get our values for x and for y. This is the simple method to solve x and y, but in the exams we will ask some more information to solve. Thus we have certain three more conditions. It means we have conditions applied on our solution. These three conditions are: our solution exists or not exist. If exist, then how many answers are possible? If function or the x and y exist, then they have a solution or a particular solution, then it is known as a unique solution. For this unique solution, we have a condition that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. It means the coefficients a1 by a2 in our linear equation, we have a1 by a2, these are the coefficient of x, and b1 by b2, these are the coefficient of y. These ratio of a1 a2 and b1 b2 are not equal. Thus we get a solution called unique solution. For many solutions, or you may say it infinite many solution, what is the condition? The condition is a1 a2 a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. This is the solution, or you may call it infinite many solution for x and y. This condition may exist, or if the solution may not be exist, then in that condition we call it as no solution, and the condition is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Let us solve a question based on these conditions. And the question is, for what value of p does the pair of equation given below has a unique solution? We have to calculate a value of p for which a unique solution exists, and the linear equation is given as 4x plus py plus 8 is equal to 0, 2x plus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now what we can do, we will compare these two linear equations with the standard one. After comparing with standard, we will get a1 as 4, a2 as 2, b1 as b, b2 as 2, and c1 and c2. But we will not need that in a unique case. So apply the condition for unique solution. What is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. We have to take the ratios of a1 and a2. Replace the values. 4 by 2 is not equal to p by 2. After solving, we will get p is not equal to 4. What it means? P is not equal to 4. That means we have all the values in our solution, but for p is equal to 4, the solution does not exist, or we may call it as it don't have a unique solution for p is equal to 4. That's all for today.